how to generate your new individual thing all by yourself. All you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser or whatsoever browser you are using, click on it and type taxid.nrs.gov.ng. Click on the first link that pops up. It will take you straight down to this particular spot. Now let's go deep into what you need to put in place. After you might have been directed to this interface of the new tax ID website where you can validate and generate your thing. So once you are on this website, you are going to see we have individual, we have corporate, and we have others. If you check on individual, that means your personal thing. So for you to generate your personal thing, all you need is your NIN, your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. So that is what you will be using to validate and generate your tax ID. So let's go into it. Once you click on individual, you will have this tax ID retrieval method. Click on the arrow down. It will pop up this box for you to indicate which of the options do you want to use. Is it your national identification number or your NIN auth share code? So I will be using my NIN. You come to where they would enter NIN and input your NIN number correctly. Make sure it's correct. If it's not correct, it will not generate for you. Once you input your NIN, you click on Retrieve Tax ID and it will load up this interface for you. Here you need to provide these details as captured by NIMC to confirm your identity. So what you need to do is to input your first name, then your last name. For those who might be doing this for the first time, your first name is your own personal name. Yes, you have your personal name and you have your surname. So your surname is your last name. For the purpose of those that might be doing this for the first time, your first name is your own personal name. Your last name is your surname, and your surname is either your father's name or your husband's name. For those of us who are bearing our husband's name, so our husband's name will be our last name. That is, if it is your husband's name that is on your NIN, so you input that your last name here, then your date of birth. So right now, once you get to this date of birth, what you need to do is to click on this side, this box you have at this side. It will pop up another box for you. So once it pops this box up, what you need to do is to click on where you have 2026 and it will give you list of years. So you pick your year that you fall to, then you come to where you have January and click on it. It will give you the list of the months. So you also go through it and pick your real months the way you have it on your NIN. Yes, don't forget. So it should be correct. Once you pick the month and the year, then you pick the day. The day is the last thing you should pick so that it will correlate with your real date of birth. Once you've done that, you come to this place where you have, I hereby consent to the processing of my information for tax-related identity verification. Click on this box, you check that box. Then your submit button will pop up for you. Then the next thing is for you to click on submit. Once you know that every details you fill here is correct, click on submit and it will, boom, your tax ID will be generated for you. So right now you have generated your tax ID and here is our new tax ID. So those saying our NIN is will be our tax ID. Our NIN is not our tax ID. It is our NIN that we are using to generate our tax ID. So right now you can see the new portal had given us another new TIN number. But what I observe is that this new tax ID is longer in digits than the former JTB and FIRS that we have. So right now all you need to do is to long press and copy your, or you write it down somewhere, or you screenshot and save it on your phone. So right now this is the new tax ID that everyone is expected to have. So for those who have business registered with CAC, the next video on the screen will direct you on how you can generate your business thing by yourself. Click on the next video and watch it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.